Jingpluh iing Shyrkhei hakini ki khyndiat sngi nongbah pynlong ye tnad Kampohing Jylla hapoh Jingialam jong Symbud Myntri Rangbah Bah Prestone Tynsong banlum ye Jingialang ye kiei tnad fire service. Haba kren bikilat pathai khbuor Bah Prestone iathuh bahaga Jingialang ulapan jingtip ru naki kiei ki jingdonkam bakum tnad pynlip ding jingdonkam khnang bikin yo ban penbiang pura ye jingtrekam.
I had a meeting with the fire service officials, the in charge IGP and then the SP of fire service, where we review those incidents that has happened. There few decisions we taken, where ultimately I've asked the department concerned, the fire service IG in charge, to submit all the details. What are the challenges that we have? Whether in terms of maybe the instrument or in terms of infrastructure or in terms of manpower. I've instructed him to submit it to the department, to the government, and then we will see one by one to meet those requirements, whatever, until it's possible. So this is the direction I've given. That also is part of it. That's what I'm telling you. I've already told the fire service wing to submit all the details. The details means recommendation, suggestion, views to the government. And then from there, once I receive all this, I will call again a meeting. We'll discuss in the higher authority. We will discuss, and then I think we need to come up with the policy. We need to come up with full SOP, especially in the urban areas, which I personally feel it is needed very, very urgently. And once that is done, I'm very sure we will come out with the SOP and the notification accordingly. So that we will do it as early as possible. That's what I've already instructed the IGP in charge fire service to submit all those documents.